Understanding cold frame in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term cold frame. It's a phrase that might leave you scratching your head, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. So let's dive in. A cold frame is a gardening term. It refers to a transparent roofed enclosure, built low to the ground, used to protect plants from cold weather. The transparent top admits sunlight and prevents heat escape. Think of it as a mini greenhouse. Gardeners use cold frames to extend the growing season for their plants. Let's break it down. The word cold indicates the purpose of protecting plants against the cold weather. The word frame refers to the structure itself, which frames the protected area. Together, cold frame is a compound noun. Now let's see how to use cold frame in sentences. I'm going to place my seedlings in the cold frame to protect them from frost. Our tomatoes are thriving this winter, thanks to the new cold frame in the garden. I hope this clears up any confusion about what a cold frame is and how to use it in your English conversations, especially if you love talking about gardening. Remember, learning English is like tending a garden. It takes time and effort, but the results are incredibly rewarding. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next video.